Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how can you highlight your Instagram stories. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing is, open your Instagram app. Once it will be open, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, and from here, you will see the three options at the right top. Simply tap on the middle one, plus sign. And from here, you will see the option on the fourth number, story highlight. Tap on this one. And from here, select your story, which you want to highlight on Instagram, because I uploaded 2 stories on Instagram. That's why here are my both stories, and I will select both. So after selecting, tap on this option next. And if you want to write something about your story, then write by yourself. For example, I am writing. After writing about your story, you can add cover by tapping on this edit cover. And after setting up all these, tap on option done, which is on the right top. So you can see from here, my story highlight has been created on Instagram. So by using this method, you can highlight your Instagram stories.